So I did the math, and last year I gave over 30,000 adjustments to help people in our community get beyond neck pain and back pain. But believe me, that is not the only thing that we see improve while under regular chiropractic care. Here are 3 other conditions that we see improve almost each and every week. Number 1, headaches. Number 2, sleep problems. And number 3, panic and anxiety disorders of all kinds. And the reason is really, really simple, guys. A body in balance works better every time, period. And so I invite you to come and experience for yourself what it's like to live life well adjusted.